Think chiropractic is about back cracks and treating pain? Think again. Many people believe chiropractic care is all about getting your back cracked and finding relief from back pain. But in reality, chiropractic care is so much more than that. It's about improving function and restoring balance throughout your entire body. Chiropractic care reconnects the mind and body, which can improve not only posture and movement, but also support breastfeeding, ease pregnancy discomfort, and even enhance athletic performance. It's also known for promoting neuroregulation, which helps with headaches, anxiety, and other stress-related issues. A functional chiropractor addresses the root causes of pain and discomfort, providing holistic care that helps your body perform at its best.